Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making some jumbo paw sugar cookies. So I've got a nice royal blue here, and it's piping consistency in a piping bag, of course. And I've got a number 2 tip here, and I'm just tracing the outline of this paw shape. These sugar cookie paws are actually for National Cupcake Day. It's something that I've been doing for the past 5 years. It's something that's done all over Canada, and I know it's done in other places around the world as well. But in particular, I've been doing this for 5 years, and I donate the money from cupcake sales, and specifically these cookies. It goes to the Ontario SPCA. And yeah, it's a nice cute little thing to do in addition to cupcakes. And if you guys end up making some of these for your cupcake day, yeah, definitely let me know and tag me in your lovely videos or your lovely photos. So next, now that I've done the outline of the inside of the paws as well, I'm just flooding it in with a royal blue here as well in a flooding consistency in a squeeze bottle. And I'll just use my scribe tool to even everything out. Now, before I move on to the next step, I want to make sure that this blue is nicely crusted over and dried thoroughly, just because I am using a white flooding consistency, and rich colors like royal blue, red, black, all of those colors, they have a tendency, the most tendency, out of all the colors, to bleed into other colors, especially light colors like white. So I did let this dry overnight before I flooded in the white part of the toes and the paw of the sugar cookie. And again, I'm just using my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. And next, I have some piping consistency white royal icing here in a piping bag fitted with a number 2 tip. And I'm just outlining or re-outlining the outside of the cookie. I'm also going to wait for this white flooding consistency used on the middles of the paws to dry just a little bit, because I want to re-outline those sections. You could definitely leave it the way it is, but I kind of like the way that it looks when it's re-outlined. And I'm actually using a number 1 tip for this part. This is actually a little trick that cartoonists and animators and stuff use as well. They'll do a very bold outline, and then for details in the middle, if they also want to outline, they'll use a smaller line or a thinner line. And I just like the way it looks. You could definitely leave it the way it is, but I just like the way that this looks, and it kind of cleans up those edges too if anything looks a little out of place. And there we go, we've got these cute little paws specifically made this year for the National Cupcake Day for the SPCA and Humane Society. And if you guys go ahead and make these for your cupcake day, please let me know, send me some photos or some videos of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!